Just took care of one customer. On my way to take care of a second. Headed to my favorite electronics store, Fry's. I'm gonna go out there and about to get some parts together to build a PC for a customer. Gave me the specs that they need in order to get them the PC of their choice to do the job that they need. And that's the service that I specialize in as well. You know, for those looking to get a PC, a desktop or laptop, you know, whether it's for work, school, or play, let me know what you need, what you need it for, and I'll try to put you together the best machine at the best price. I'm headed here right now to get those parts right now to put this machine together. So, pretty standard run-of-the-mill ticket in IT. Also, if you haven't had a chance to check out my website, go ahead and check it out, www.regionalitservices.com. I just offered a new service, which now we are a registrar, a domain registrar, and you can now register your domains to us. So go ahead and when you get a chance, go check out the website and register any domain you may be thinking of. I missed my exit, so I'll have to loop around here in 1 second. But I'm trying to get here and get back across town before that Friday afternoon traffic sets in. So I'm gonna make that quick. But I'm headed up here now. Fry's Electronics, actually one of my favorite places to get parts. I think their website is tigerdirect.com. If you go there, you can order parts from their website. They got a couple of other ones, but I like their actual physical location where I can go and look at the parts. But they got a couple of other websites that I've ordered parts off of as well. But when I do go in person, this is probably this store and Micro Center. Those are probably my go-to stores when it comes to electronics, anything computer related, memory, hard drives, processors, et cetera, et cetera. But I just wanted to remind everybody to go to my site and register their .net, .org, whatever you may have. Man, I mess around and still miss my lunch hour. After I come from Fry's, I'll probably stop and grab me something to eat here. I got a great lunch over in Irving, Texas. Probably one of my spots over there. But it's an open flame Brazilian restaurant. Great food. But if I'm in Irving, that is normally, if I'm in Irving and I got $20 to spend on lunch, that is normally my go-to spot. And if I got somebody in town with me or a friend or somebody that's visiting me, that's probably like my favorite spot I like to take them because I know they're going to love the food as well. But enough about food. I'm trying to plug my domain registration services. So that's really what I got on live again for the second time today to plug, is I want to plug those domain registration services. If you're a domain using our website, www.regionalitservices.com. You can go to that site and register any .net, .com, .org, .info, .biz, .show, whatever other domain you want to register. You can register on that site. If you got that company or that idea in your head, that business idea in your head, and you want to set up a website for it, go to my site and you can get wheels and motions for that. The website again is www.regionalitservices.com. Well, you got to know how to navigate in this Dallas traffic. I mean, if you put your, I think the cars behind you speed up. They act like they actually got some drivers that truly believe that we're in a race with each other. We're not even going to the same place, but yet they want to beat me to wherever I'm going, or wherever they think I may be going. Anyways, anybody got any good .com ideas out there that they want to read? The .com is and will always be king, So if you got that business .com for somebody else to think of it and suck it up. Go to my website, www.regionalitservices.com, and register any of your domains or .com ideas. You can also schedule any other PC or technology services you got for me. Like right now, I'm going to head to Fry's right now to price some parts and price building a system for a customer. They're actually a graphic designer, and they want a nice, fast machine that'll be able to handle the software that they're running and the file sizes that they're going to need. So they want something reliable, fast, and they want to bang for their buck. So that's what I'm trying to do. And that's where I come in. Because, being a smaller company, I don't have quite the overhead like a lot of these major companies do. So I can put together a system a lot cheaper because I got a lot less overhead to pay for. So I can actually get your system many times much faster than you would buying from a major manufacturer. And get you one much faster for a lot cheaper price. And that's the whole name of the game when it comes to computers. It's fast, speed. One thing about computers, you get them that first week, they're fast. And as soon as you start loading them up, they're going to slow down anyways. It's just a fact of life. You do what you can to speed them up. But, without regular tune-ups, regular maintenance, they're going to slow down. And I do offer that service. I do offer PC tune-up services. And right now I'm running that summer sale for $10. So you're basically getting $65 worth of work for $10. I normally charge $65 just to diagnose the issue. I'm doing the whole 9 right now. We're running that summer special, $10. You get your tech support. That's remote support. Thank you. That doesn't involve actually me physically coming to see your hardware or anything like that. So don't get it mixed up. But we do offer this summer sale right now. You get an hour worth of tech support for $9.99. You can't beat that. Just to look at it, see what's going on. So, take advantage of the sale while we got it going on. Also, to take advantage of my domain registration. That's not going anywhere. The summer sale, just like it implies, is a summer sale. But the domain registration, that'll be a permanent thing. So you can register your .coms, your .biz, your .orgs, so forth and so on. Go check me out. I'm all the way legit. It's the real deal. Go and register any of your .coms, your .nets, your .orgs, so forth and so on. And get the word out there. Like I said, we're also available for a slew of other services. We are technology support, not just computer repair or tech support. We are technology support. That means we support all aspects of technology. Your brain trying to figure it out, leave it to the experts. But I really don't like to call myself an expert because X is the Latin prefix meaning unknown, and spurt is the Latin suffix meaning drip. So therefore, when I claim to be an expert, really what I'm doing is calling myself an unknown drip. So, So those you claim to be experts, nice talking to you, you unknown drips. But I like to call myself a seasoned veteran. That sounds a little more specialized, I guess, or a little more good at what I do. Anyways, I want you guys to go to my website though and register your domain. It's not electronic. One of my favorite stores. For a tech, this is like a candy store. This store, along with Micro Center, both of these stores are like candy stores to techs. If I couldn't spend my money on anything else, I would a nice computer system. Maybe a set of weights too. But if I only had, one thing I could spend my money on, more than likely would probably be electronics, because I can still work out doing push-ups and sit-ups and all that good stuff. But I got to have my electronics. So, any of you trying to register your domains, register your .coms, don't use any of those other sites no more. Let my site be the go-to website for registering your domains. When you think of a .com or a .net, or you got a great idea that you want to register, and you want to put up a website behind, use my website, use my services. And for those veterans, nonprofit organizations, and our first responders, you all get 10% off when you use my service. It's my way of saying thank you guys for what you do. So, and girls, I'm sorry, the men and women of our veterans organizations, our first responders organizations, and our church and religious organizations. I'd be happy to be of service to you. I notice certain professions, it's not a solid rule, but I notice certain professions, they're real good at what they do, but they're not IT people. And I don't know why. I guess maybe it's the way the brain wired for their profession or what have you. Maybe they don't take an interest in IT, but they're like geniuses in their field. But those professions, they need guys like us on call. It's nice to have a on your back pocket, especially a company like mine that's going to provide you professional and personal service. One thing about these big corporations, a lot of times you become a member, and they rotate through people so much that the people that you talk to on the front end, they're normally, mostly new people. So I want y'all to make sure y'all use my service. Make sure y'all go visit my website. And if y'all don't follow my Facebook page, make sure y'all follow my Facebook page as well. Same name, regionalitservices.com. I'm the same everywhere, Twitter, what's the other one? Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. I'm the same. You can find me listed under the same. But if you got an idea or a .com or website that you want to get out there on the internet, go ahead and register that using our services. And that website is www.regionalitservices.com. I'm now up here at Fry's. I was debating on whether I should take y'all in here and show y'all around the store, but I figure with this big warehouse, the signal's probably weak inside here, along with all the other electronics. So anyways, y'all have a great day, and please like and share my pages, like and share my commercials when you see them. When you see it in my ads, like and share. I really love and appreciate all the support I've been getting from everyone. Y'all keep me motivated to keep this thing going. So anyways, if you got any .coms, go use our service. And if you got any technological needs, go ahead and book an appointment. The website is www.regionalitservices.com. Thanks.